In this step, we will attach the handlebars to the bike. Take your 5mm Allen tool that was in your kit, and you're going to want to remove all the bolts that were on the front faceplate. Next, you'll place the handlebar on the bike. You'll have your orange and blue stickers on there. You can use those to line up with the other arrows on the bike. And what you want to do is just get those bolts just kind of started on the bike. They don't need to be tight at this point. Once you get those started, you can kind of line up and center the bars with the arrows. Make sure this cable is going around the front. And then complete the tightening with your 5mm. You'll want to do them all evenly, and you'll have a small gap on the upper and lower section. Once you have all these bolts down snug, make sure they're super tight. You're ready for the next step.